Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, it would seem the Australian dollar bulls continue to push higher as it now challenges this level around 74.1520. Now a close above there would give further confirmation to a possible squeeze up to the recent highs we saw back in August, September of 74.65. However, I feel there is a bull trap coming as we are extremely overbought with the RSI, although the ADX is helping this rally and also the last few candles have been somewhat positive. Nevertheless, the market is pushing in overbought territory, so I do expect to see a turnaround very soon, especially when the dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, still holding around 94 figure handle. The euro took the challenge to the top side and rejected the 116.24 level, but still keeps to maintain relatively bullish stance. That may see a rise up to 116.25 to cap around 116.65. I feel overall the dollar index is eventually going to close above 94.40 and look up towards 95 to about 96. This would eventually see the euro turn back towards the downside of the lows around 115.25 and maybe to the weekly call, which is still somewhat to the region of 113.5. Dollar yen is still pushing higher as well and surprisingly holding to its stance as there is divergence clearly on the market. If we look at the RSI dropping as the price is pushing towards that 114 handle, I feel there is a bull trap coming, and if this divergence kicks in, should see a snap back towards 112.75 to about 112.20. Sterling rejects that top side challenge around 137.15 figure 15, but still not quite out of the danger zone as of yet. However, this is a somewhat negative candle and therefore could see a further slide or another rejection if we see the push to the top side range again. But overall, I'm not going to get too bullish at these levels. CAD yen still remaining neutral and extremely overbought and potentially going to be soon expect to see a bull trap come through. If so, that could see a snap back towards the bottom side of the range around 90. Looking at gold, the market is attempting to break above 1,798. It is quite interesting to see that all the markets are pushing higher, considering the dollar is still somewhat vulnerable to rally. Nevertheless, let's see if the market does reject that level of the top side 1,798 and look back towards the bottom side around 1,776. And also oil was pushing higher and overbought and showing divergence. I don't have a view at this level, but I'm still waiting for the opportunity to jump in if we see a rejection. The market is overbought, so it isn't really sort of viewed as a potential bull zone where we currently are. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the rest